Come on. Time was one. Nice space. Move. Rock your pace. Let's go. Engage. Nice. Nice pace. Yeah, nice space. Keep going. Use the jab. Rock a two base. Rock a two base. Nice. Keep the distance. That's it. Keep moving. Move the ring. Move around. Good. Rock a two when you close the gap. There. Rock a two there. Rock a two there, base.
Nice.
Nice. Good.
1-2.
That's it. Nice. Good point. Hook off and comes in. Hook off there. 1 more 2. Nice. 1 more 2. Rock when he comes in. When he comes in. 2 to the body first. 1, 2. 2 to the body. Nice. Good. Nice space. Good. Use your feet. That's on the chair. Your feet. Around the guard over the top. Nice space. Good. Nice. One on two again, close the gap, 1 on 2. Nice. Go to the body now, 1 and 2 to the body. Nice space. Good base. Nice. Move base. Move. Nice.
Let's go.
Come on. Hook off, second base. Hook off 2 for 2. Nice. Hook off 2 to the base. Nice. Go 2 to the body base. 2 to the body. 2 to the body. 2 upstairs. Nice. Good try. Give it a try. Back on the chair. Third base. Moving around. Back on the chair. Let's get base. Nice. 1 on 2. Nice there, that's it. Nice. Hook off. Nice, Baice. That's up. Keep going. Work. Again, over the top. Nice. Ease down. Nice. Baice. Ease down.
Nice.
Make some noise for Baice Mataeliga, champions here. Let's go. Shout out to Baice Mataeliga, it's a kid effort. Well done.